Welcome to our channel. Today we how to back up your Google Analytics user permissions and roles, beginner guide step by step clearly. To back up your Google Analytics user permissions and roles, start by logging into your Google Analytics account. Navigate to the admin section by clicking the gear icon in the lower left corner. In the admin panel, you will see three columns: Account, Property, and View. Select the account for which you want to back up user permissions. Click on Account Settings under the Account column. In the Account Settings, locate the User Management option. Click on User Management to view the current users and their roles. To export this information, take note of the users listed, along with their roles. Use a spreadsheet application to create a blank document. In the first column, label it User Email. In the second column, label it Roles. Begin entering the email. In the adjacent column, input the corresponding roles for each user. Make sure to capture any additional permissions that may be relevant. Once the data is entered, review it for accuracy. Save the spreadsheet in a secure location for future reference. For added security, consider backing up the spreadsheet to a cloud storage service. Repeat this process for each account, property, and view as necessary. This will ensure that you have a comprehensive backup of user permissions and roles. By maintaining this documentation, you can simplify future management tasks. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.